Today we're doing a Miata clutch. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but we just had them call in and ask how much a clutch was, and we told them. I always like them when they have hard tops. Just makes it look better. They have parts in here. And looks like we have most everything. Ooh, and Mazda rear main and a clutch boot. Okay. No fluid, but we'll see if we need it. Well, it's not terrible. I don't know, we'll see. Well, I guess it slips a little bit. Good? Yeah. Well, it isn't like the most confidence-inspiring clutch, but at least right now it works. All right. So this should go well. I'm gonna grab some tools, and then I'm gonna take the shifter out first, and we'll get started. So this is all kind of self-explanatory, but Miatas are so easy to take apart. Okay. Essentially what I'm going to take off is this exhaust section from there to there. I'm going to leave that because that doesn't really matter. This powertrain mount, which I don't know if you know, but on Miatas they don't actually have a transmission mount. This mounts to the diff. It's just a solid mount to help keep vibrations and the drivetrain strong. That comes out, cable speedo comes out, a couple little sensors. This wiring I always just unclip from the powertrain, that way I can take it all the way down. Slave cylinder comes off, drive shaft comes out, and pretty much after that it's just the transmission. Out. We're going to take out the powertrain frame, and then the tranny will sink down, and then we'll be able to get to the slave to take it off, and then all the belt housing bolts, and we'll have it out. With that one. So this is what you whack out of the top, and when you put it in, it pulls it down, and that keeps it center. Okay, there we go. Perfect. I mean, definitely heat damaged and stuff. Oh. I probably should call them and tell them that their leak is the input shaft seal instead of the rear main seal on this. Should, but will I? Stay tuned to find out. Yeah, let me give them a call and be like, yo, you didn't buy the right part. So we've got our input shaft seal. So we're gonna take that apart, seal it up, put some RTV on it, and then we can get back to putting this thing together. So input shaft seal has been changed out. Last thing to do is new throwout bearing, grease all this stuff up with the clutch grease that they give us. Should be enough. If not, we'll go get some more. And then stab the transmission. Finish bolting this up, get back inside the car, put the interior back together after I wash my hands, and then we'll go for a test drive. All right, so I hopped in, I hit the clutch pedal, and I can already tell that there's a gap between where it meets up. So wherever it was bled before with the old clutch is a different point than now. So we're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, then we gotta bleed the clutch. It's starting as a good sign. Well, I went into fifth, went into reverse. Ooh, grabbed instantly. Everything seems to be working right. It shifts nicely. Sounds decent. I'll have to check it on the, see if there's an exhaust leak or whatever because of how everything came apart with that broken bolt. And I'd say it's a good finish. We did it.